everybody, welcome back to NJE Life, where my sisters and I show you super simple recipes. Today we're going to make these delicious chicken sliders using panko. I use chicken breast. First thing I do is fillet the breast, and then I tenderize it using a meat mallet. Alright, separate them. Lay them side by side, and then you're going to need some saran wrap, which is plastic wrap, and then a meat mallet. Let's see. Yes, I like to pound mine pretty thin. I like super thin chicken. Yes, pound, pound, pound. Pounded chicken. Still pounding, and you're gonna want it to all be one even thickness. All the breasts, even thickness. All right, safely dispose of your contaminated plastic wrap, and then cut into the size and shape you would want for your sliders. For some reason, at this point in time, I forgot I was making sliders, and I thought I was making chicken strips, so I turned them into strips. But usually for sliders, I make them a little bit more square. Here I have flour, 2 beaten eggs with a couple splashes of sriracha, and then some panko. Beat the eggs. Doesn't have to be super fluffy beaten, but you know, just so it's an even liquid. And don't forget to get a paper towel and pat off both sides of your chicken so things adhere nicely. If you have slimy or wet, moist chicken, then you know everything's just gonna slide off, and that's no fun. To make these, you have to be pretty okay with touching the raw meat. I used to not like touching the raw meat, but I've done it so many times that it just doesn't bother me anymore. And here we go. First, put the chicken into the flour. Shake it off, and then put it into the egg. If you already know how to bread chicken, then go ahead and just skip all these. But this channel kind of caters to beginner cookers, so this is how you make panko breaded chicken. If anybody has any secret breaded chicken recipes or tips, please leave them in the comment box below. Okay, so the chicken strips have been in a 400-degree oven for 10 minutes. Now I'm going to flip them and cook them for another 10 minutes. I also coated them in a little bit more spray avocado oil. Let's see. Okay, everyone, so I want to tell you about the sauce that my husband uses. He likes a mixture of Frank's Red Hot, ranch, and mayo. And so I put a spread of that on each mini Hawaiian bun and 2 pickles. Okay, all 3 sliders are done. Nice and crispy on the outside and moist on the inside. These ones are my sliders. I just put a tiny, tiny dollop of mayo on each bun and 2 pickles as well. Of course, I gotta find the best looking piece of chicken for my sliders. Don't these look delicious? You guys should make them. You won't regret it. And they'll be in your regular dinner rotation. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.